All right, the next trend I'm trying out in the Glam Lab are eyelash extensions. They look amazing, and I've wasted too much of my life gluing on fake lashes.
Oh.
Or at least trying to.
Oh my God, forget it.
I'm going to get the treatment done by celebrity lash expert Clementina Richardson. She's done lashes on Mary J. Blige, Naomi Campbell, and a whole list of other celebs. If it's good enough for a supermodel, it's good enough for me. She recently opened up her own salon called Envious Lashes, and now it has been named the best lash studio in New York City. What sets her apart is she customizes each lash to your eye, strand by strand, so you're going to get the most natural look. My girl Emily here will be filming, and we are going to give you an up close and personal look at what really goes on when you're getting eyelash extensions.
Oh my gosh, I'm like a different person. They're stunning.
It has been 3 weeks to the day since I got my eyelash extensions. I have been cleaning them and conditioning every day, but I decided to come to an eye doctor. I'm here with Dr. Mora.
Hi.
Not only is she an optometrist, but she has a health and wellness blog. On that blog, she talks all about eyes, and one of the grossest things she's seen is dirty eyelash extensions. So I am going to get checked out.
This is a picture of one of the worst cases I've seen.
I am warning you, this is so gross.
A lot of mucus, a lot of debris, probably excess makeup and excess oil stuck in the eyelash extension.
I just need a minute.
Great, Joe. This actually looks really good.
Clean lashes. Here's the takeaway. If you're gonna get eyelash extensions, go to a legit place. Go somewhere like Envious Lashes. It's pricey, but it's worth it. These are your eyes. You only get one set. There is a common misconception though when it comes to eyelash extensions. If you do your makeup every day, you're taking a step away from the process. You're not having to put mascara on. You barely have to put on any eye makeup. However, if you are doing this right and you're cleaning them and conditioning them every day, you're adding another step to your routine. And it is a little of a lifestyle change. There are many things you can't do when you have eyelash extensions that I had no idea about. You can't put your face directly in the shower. You shouldn't be using cotton to remove your makeup. Try not to rub your eyes. So thumbs up for eyelash extensions at Envious Lashes. Based on my lifestyle, I don't think it's gonna be a constant thing for me. But I hope you learned a lot.